Hi, just a quick video to check your reading. What I wanted you to do is hopefully you followed the link which took you to the page 2.3 Principles on Biology. And then if you scroll down, here is our topic on gene therapy. So when we're looking at our points, the gene theory. Gene theory is that the characteristics of living things are controlled by gene. Point 1. Point 2, passed from parents to offspring. Point 3, genes are located on chromosomes. Point 4, chromosomes are found in every cell, well, almost every cell. Point 5, they consist of DNA. Point 6 is, and the DNA encodes the instructions to tell the cells how to behave. How did you do? If not, edit your note page now.